Hey, Tanya here. Have you tried Outpost Pottery tools? Me neither. I was very lucky. They sent me a whole load of tools to try, so let's try them together. First of all, I want to share them with you. They sent me this tile spinner. So you put this on your wheel and then you just replace the tiles with your normal bathroom tiles. This replaces your bat and then this obviously takes them out. So let's see what that's about. And they gave me, 9 profile ribs. 9. I mean, I am so lucky. They are stunning. They are very solid, which I find very cool. It feels like great quality. So I'm going to try all of these, and together we're going to try them all out. Each one has either side has an actual shape that you can try, and some of them even has 4. Let's see which one. For instance, something like that. So you can throw it that way, or that way, or that way, or that way. So you get 4 options. Which I think is really great. So what I did beforehand, I cut out each one because I was curious what I'm going to get. So I just folded a piece of paper and I drew around this so that if the clay was coming here, this is the design shape I'm going to get. So if I open that up, I'm going to get little cups that size, or if it's wider, little bowls. And then on the other side of this, I did the same thing, cut it, whichever way the clay is going to go. I would get bigger cups or wider bowls. Oh, there's all sorts. I mean, this would be like a beer mug or something with a great design. The great thing about these, which I think you're always going to get consistent results. Here's like maybe a beer stein, which you can have either way, depending which way you put the rib. That way, that way, that way, that way. I think they're fantastic. And then there's other designs as well, which I think are pretty cool, where they've got a nice little lip in the middle. Look how many of these there are. All these options are from just 9 tools, changing the directions and the way you throw with them. So I think this is great. Let's give them a try because I've never used them before, but I am impressed with the quality. I'd like to thank them for sending me all these great tools. They really are gorgeous. The quality is great. Oh, and another thing, apparently they float. So you're not going to lose them, which is really handy. And then you're not going to cut yourself when you're trying to dig for them in the water. So that's another handy feature about these. Thank you to Outpost Pottery for sending me all these tools. I look forward to trying them. Apparently, they've even given me 10% off anything I buy in the future and 10% off for you, which is really cool. How nice of them. So let's give them a try and see what we think between us. I mean, the shapes are endless. I mean, I can't wait. And consistent is key. So this is a way to get it. So let's try them together and I'll get back to you once we start throwing. Cheers.